Downtime from wildlife collisions is serious and it's costly. Don't get caught off guard by an unexpected collision. This easy-to-install grill guard ensures critical shipments deliver on time and your rig is protected and ready for the next load. All Alliance guards are made from 3-inch 12-gauge heavy-duty stainless steel, and they look good too. But don't waste money on a cheap-grade, lightweight guard. It'll rust and look bad in no time, with a polished mirror finish adding to the good looks of a good truck. Professionally installed or put it on yourself with simple tools. They even come with pre-installed tow hooks to lend a hand if you ever do have to tow out. And if getting under the hood is concerned, don't worry. Alliance guards keep engine compartment access free and open. Alliance guards come with mounting hardware for your truck right in the box, keeping you from going back to the parts store. Other brands make you order a separate mounting kit. Alliance guards are one order, one box. You can't predict the unpredictable, but you can protect your rig against downtime collisions. Your time-sensitive shipments deserve this type of protection. Get yourself an Alliance bumper guard today and get protected.